Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at a game called Raptor Hunter AR for Android. Now this is a very simple shooter game, first person shooter. You just need to shoot some dinos rushing at you. Let's take a look. Okay. Loading. Another one. Whoa. Whoa, where do you come from? Now I have no idea what AR framework this game used, but it's so jittery, it's unbelievable. Actually ruined the experience. But really cool things are about to happen, so please stay tuned. Now as you can see, when the game is over, you can see the total number of kills that you had and the coins that you have received. Now you can actually use those coins to buy new weapons, and there are a few weapons which you can buy. Now I'm just using the pistol, which is the default weapon, but later on you're going to see the assault rifle, which I unlocked. Alright, people are thinking that something is here because I was aiming and tapping. They don't know that there are dinosaurs here. You just can't see them. It was actually funny. As you can see, I can actually getting hit all the time. You can see like a mark, and this red mark means that somebody's hitting you. So just make sure that this is a 360 shooter, so they can attack you from behind, from the side. So just make sure that you pay attention to your health and this paw icon that signifies that you are getting hit. I'm just playing a game. Nothing. I'm just playing a game. The lady asked me what I'm doing, so I just saw her just shooting dinosaurs, and she was, oh, and then look at this, a dino an IPO came out. Look at this, unbelievable. Wow. Look at this, unbelievable. I thought there's nothing here. The ones that Hippo came out, good morning Hippo, a few people start gathering around, because it was empty before that. That's the reason I would start playing there, because there are not many people there. Then the Hippo came out and then they start coming. No, he's going back. He's bored. I have to say that the shooting mechanics felt actually good. I mean, not bad. I just enjoy shooting there. But again, look at the rocks, they're not in place, they're just moving with me, and that was pretty bad. At this point I was kind of started getting bored and asked myself, should I play or just watch the hippo coming out? So many of them! Oh yeah, no. Eliminate. Alright, nice. Oh, he's running. 11, I'm good. My health is very low. Now, to be honest, when I play it like in this area, I felt like I'm playing Far Cry in augmented reality. But the thing is everything just moving, so the immersion was really bad. Unfortunately, it could be, better, much better. But I don't know. I tried restarting the app, but again, it's not the problem. This is just a problem with the AR framework, with the SLAM engine. Don't understand you, Dino. Oh, they're behind me. Anyways, I continue playing because I wanted to get more coins, because later on I want to unlock new weapons. So I continue playing, and here's the hippo coming out again. And I think at this point people start coming, and a show is about to begin, and something really scary is going to happen. So just stay and see. No. He's coming, he's seeing a lot of people here. Or dinos, I don't know. Look, it's so cute. It's actually a young one. It's very small. Move! I'm looking at the dinosaur. Yeah, Ipo. What are you doing? Move! He's coming! No, he's coming! No! I know what you are thinking. You probably said to yourself, "Rip, AR critic. It was nice to meet you. Nice videos. We're gonna see you on the next live." Hey, but not. Take a look. What are you doing? Oh, it's this guy. Oh, he tries to bring. Oh, you're okay. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, so... Just look at this dino. You want to eat as well. It was so funny that moment. So cute. He's want to eat too. He wants to eat too. Look at this. They're both eating. Unbelievable. This was really funny because this dino didn't attack me actually. He went after the tree. Not actually. No, he didn't went after the tree. But for some reason he was just running to the left side, not doing any damage. Kind of funny when you think about it. At this point I was just thinking to myself, bring 5G, I want super realistic, dinos and creatures attacking me at the zoo. And then I look right and I see this glitchy dinosaur. Even this guy doesn't know what he's doing. This funny game. So actually I was about, to play more in this area, and then many people came, and then this cool dino moment happened. Dino, I'm saying. With this hippo thing when you rush at us, it was so funny. So I actually enjoyed the entire experience, but of course I enjoy more the moments with this hippo than the game itself. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this moment. It was unexpected, I have to say. Now let's take a look at the weapon. So this is the pistol, right? And I already equipped it. And there are a few weapons. This is the assault rifle, which I'm soon going to unlock. It costs 1,000 coins. This is 2,000, 3,000, and 4,000. Oh, and there's 8,000 and 10,000. Oh, I want to use I didn't use achieve the rocket because I need to play so much. But I unlocked the assault rifle, and I'm going to play with it now, so you can see how it plays. It's actually really fun to play with the assault rifle, fast firing weapon, automatic weapon. It's more fun playing than the pistol itself. Alright, so let's take a look. Let's do this. Let's see if you can against me. It's always moving. Okay. Here you are. One done. Another one. See you. Anyone else? Alright. Oh, somebody touch. Somebody? Tons of them. Reload. Oh, this is a zoo. Actually, it is. Where are they? There's one. Where are they? 12. No, where do you came from? So this is it. This is Raptor Hunter AR, Jurassic dinosaur game for Android. What can I say? Right? This was a very awkward review, I know. Kind of hilarious, kind of scary, kind of surprising, kind of. But if I enjoyed it, not really. Again, it was a terrible experience, to be honest. But again, at least there was something unexpected happened that I can share with you, which was actually very exciting. At least for me when I was there and for all the people around me. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And this is it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye everyone. Have a great week. Bye bye.